So what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Guys, on what I'm doing today, I want to do a unboxing to all my fans out there who love watching the unboxing style videos. Curious on what I ordered on Amazon right here. What's in this brown envelope, basically, but it's a package inside of this envelope, but I want to share with you what I basically got. And basically I thought it was kind of cool to kind of show you. It's pretty nifty, you know. It's something electronic, not for the computer, but something more for a TV. Alright, let's go ahead and do the unbagging or unboxing of this brand new item, what is in this shipping package. Let's have some fun and let's tear it open. The package, I mean. Before I dive right into this package right here, basically what this is for a brand new TV my dad got for Christmas. This is a very late Christmas present, should I say. It's a HDMI switch. Basically that's what's in here, but let's go ahead and tear it open and let's take a look at it. It's well packed. Should I say well packaged? Alright, anything else in there? Nope, nothing else in there. Basically, this cool looking box. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's something I wanted to get my dad, but of course, when you go to your local Walmart, they do have some switches, but not very nice ones. Alright. There's the unit right here. Well packaged. It's very nice. And of course everything else on the bottom, like your controller and your remote and some instructions, and that's also pretty nice too. Comes in the box itself. Of course you get the wonderful box itself, of course the plastic material here, a outside sleeve cover, of course your warranty card, your instructions, your power adapter, remote, and the switch itself. This is pretty unique as well. Just the card right there. And of course it does come with your instructions. Why? Where's English? I can't read that. And again, this is your 5-volt power adapter. Here's your remote, a lot better than the first unit. Again, you got your on and your off, and you got your different electrical modes. And let's go to the actual units right here. Here's the IR sensor, your LED indicators, a switch here to switch it, power LED, and of course your power switch right here as well. And let's look at the back. Your 5-volt power input, 5 inputs for HDMIs, and 1 HDMI output. And by the way, this thing is very heavy and very good quality too. And let's just take a look at the package. It's so cool. That's awesome. This is something my dad can actually use for his brand new TV he got for Christmas. Dad does got a brand new 50-inch TV for Christmas, and yes, it only has 4 HDMI inputs, not enough inputs for all of his HDMI devices like the cable box, the PlayStation, and all sorts of interesting stuff you hook up to your TV. And I've been looking around for a HDMI switch, and that's basically what I found on Amazon. This HDMI switch right here. Okay, there's what the front of it looks like. Here's the back of the box if you're curious. You can connect up to 5 devices to this one HDMI switch, and you can connect it directly to your TV. Now you're gonna say, Chris, most TVs have enough inputs. Well, not when you have so many electronics, like your cable box, your PlayStation 4, 3, satellite box, DVD players, Blu-ray players, VCR and DVD combo players, okay? There's not enough inputs for everything because you constantly have to unplug and plug a device in. This will actually help very nicely for my dad. And I think this is a good device, and yes, a little bit more expensive, but that's okay. About $60 for this unit right here. Not bad. But alright, I'm gonna give it to my dad and see if my dad wants to hook it up or not. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Have a nice day. Catch you later.